Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be making Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings. A quick, easy, and delicious recipe. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make this. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken wings. You can also use the whole chicken wings as well. Next, you'll need a small bunch of cilantro, 2 Thai chilies, and about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. For the seasoning, you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning. For the glaze, you'll need 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the batter, I'm using 1 cup of rice flour, and for the extra crunch, I'm using 1/4 cup of this tempura mix. The first step is to season the chicken wings. To begin, you want to pat your wings completely dry so that the batter can stick on better. I already dried them individually, so I'm quickly going to pat them down with a paper towel. Once dry, we can start to season them with the 1.5 teaspoons of salt, the half teaspoon of black pepper, and the 2 teaspoons of natural mushroom seasoning. Thoroughly mix them around, then let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. While we wait for that, move on to step 2, which is to cut the ingredients. Start by cutting the cilantro in half, then slice them into fine pieces. These will be used as garnish. Next, the 2 Thai chili peppers. I'm going to cut them into thin slices so there's a gentle kick in flavor. The bigger the slices, the spicier it will be per bite. So I prefer mine small. Also, I'm throwing out the seeds because I personally can't handle the spice. Lastly, I'm going to mince the garlic. In this recipe, we are frying the garlic and using it as a topping, so try to get them into tiny pieces. Here we have the cilantro, the pepper, and the garlic. Now on to step 3, work on the batter. You can use rice flour on its own, but for the extra crunch, I'm mixing it in with this brand of tempura mix. Start by carefully cutting open the bag of rice flour. Then pour out 1 full cup. Next, you want to do the same with a tempura mix, but with 1/4 cup. I find this ratio to work the best with chicken wings. Then in a large Ziploc bag, or a bowl, or a container, anything that you can toss the chicken in, pour in the rice flour and tempura mix along with all the chicken wings. Give it a good shake so that all pieces are covered evenly in the batter. Now on to step 4, which is to fry the wings. In a large frying pan, add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for it to be hot, then add in all of the minced garlic. Stir it around so that it doesn't burn. You will have to do this for about a minute until you get a nice golden brown color to the garlic. Once it starts to look like this, plate it and put it to the side for later. Wipe down the same pan, then pour in enough oil to completely submerge the chicken wings. My pan is not big enough, so I'm only adding in half of the wings at a time. Make sure that they are spaced out so that none of them are sticking together. Then leave them alone. Don't move them too much or the batter will fall off. After about 5 minutes, check on them, and when they have a nice crispy brown color to it, flip them to the other side and continue to wait. Once done, shake them to get rid of any excess oil and put them on a plate with a paper towel underneath to soak in the remaining oil. Then I'm going to add in the remaining wings to repeat the same process. The last and final step is to make the sauce. On high heat, add in the 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, the 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it around so the sugar can completely dissolve. Once the sauce starts to thicken and have a caramelized look, add in all the Thai chili peppers, and continue to mix it for a couple of seconds to spread it around evenly. Then you want to add in all of the chicken wings and make sure that each wing is covered in the delicious glaze. And there you have it. Now you have the recipe for Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings. All there's left to do is to plate it, sprinkle the cilantro over it, and the fried garlic. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more weekly Vietnamese cooking recipes if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.